This is Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for January 8, 2025. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was down 1.6 points or 0.39% to 408.54. Total trade volume was up with 53,368 shares changing hands at a total value of over 321.5 million real, or approximately $79,200. On the main board, only one stock was up. The Sihanoukville Autonomous Port was up 0.34% or 40 real to 11,800 real per share. On the other hand, two stocks were down, with the biggest loser of the day being Pestech Cambodia, which dropped 1.67% or 40 real to 2,360 real per share, followed by Acleda Bank, which was down 1.35% or 100 real to 7,300 real per share. The rest of the main board, meanwhile, remained flat. Over on the growth board, both stocks were up. JS Land increased by 1.79% or 60 real to 3,420 real per share, while DBD Engineering was up 0.49% or 10 real to 2,040 real per share. Acleda Bank once again recorded the highest trade volume of the day with 35,920 shares changing hands at a total value of 262 million real, or roughly $64,600, which is 67% of total shares traded on January 8th. Cam GSM recorded the second highest trade volume of the day with 7,005 shares changing hands at a total value of 16.8 million real, or over $4,000, approximately 13% of Wednesday's trade volume. In other market news, Acleda Bank announced that it has received approval from the National Bank of Cambodia for a subordinated bond issuance on the Cambodia Securities Exchange. The funds will be used for capital, general banking activities, and various corporate objectives of the bank. Acleda Bank says it is now preparing to meet the requirements of all relevant authorities. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD weakened slightly to 4,036 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was up to 108.87. Looking at global commodities, oil prices rose on Wednesday as supplies from Russia and OPEC members tightened, while data showing an unexpected increase in US job openings pointed to expanding economic activity and consequent growth in oil demand. Brent crude was up 37 cents or 0.5% at $77.42 a barrel. Gold prices edged up as focus shifted to a key U.S. jobs report due later this week that could influence the U.S. Federal Reserve's rate path. Spot gold rose 0.1% at $2,653.04 per ounce. U.S. gold futures remained unchanged at $2,666.70. U.S. stock futures ticked higher early Wednesday. The action comes after a sharp decline in big tech stocks and renewed fears over the path of rate cuts spurred a sell-off on Wall Street. S&P 500 futures rose 0.23%, while Nasdaq 100 futures gained 0.22%. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average advanced 81 points, or roughly 0.19%. This was Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for January 8th.